have you go ahead and join our conversation in the comment section below. Give us the data points that you have, your experience, your thoughts, questions, concerns, and I'd love to address them within 24 hours for you as best as I can. And for the radical marketers out there, salute. You guys are the reason why this channel is blowing up as one of the fastest growing YouTube channels on YouTube. And so I am so appreciative for you. Guys, in today's video, we're going to go over the Go Rewards credit card from Navy Federal, okay? I want to talk about this card because we're reviewing all of the Navy Federal credit cards here for the holiday season. There's a lot of things that you guys need to know, making sure that you don't apply for the wrong card, how to leverage this card, how to get a higher limit. So make sure you watch the video in its entirety. I'm going to try to keep this video under 10 minutes, preferably 8 minutes, but we'll see how it goes. There's a lot to address in this conversation. First and foremost, to get any of the credit cards with Navy Federal Credit Union, you need to be a member of Navy Federal Credit Union. Can anybody get in? No, they can't. Unfortunately, it's for the service. Well, fortunately, it's for the service members. Unfortunately, not everybody can get in. Now, you can watch my entire playlist channel about how to get in without being military and without getting flagged or without getting your account shut down or your accounts frozen. That's bad business right there, and you don't want to have that because Navy Federal is cracking down on a lot of the loopholes. A lot of people have been abusing the system, and they are onto it, and they're changing things rapidly. They're freezing accounts. They're going after people. So don't get on that bad list. Like I said, I don't care how you guys get in. How you get in is how you guys get in. I'm just giving you the information so you guys can make the best informed decision for you. But you need to be a member of Navy Federal before you get any of the products with them. It's a soft pull for membership. You can fund the account with, I believe, up to $250 at the time of opening. I called in. I did it that way, pulled money off of a credit card, funded the account. And once you're a member, then you're free to start applying for credit cards. Now, all of the credit cards are going to pull from TransUnion. And like I said, it is a soft pull for membership as well. But all of the credit cards you can pre-qualify for to see what your best option is. But you could also watch all the different videos on the credit cards with Navy Federal because I kind of guide you through which is the best card for you. And then there's going to be a video that I'm going to go through all of them on one video and talk about what they're geared for, why you may want to wait on it. Okay, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel because 3 videos daily are coming out, and smash the like button for me. The Go Rewards, okay, is going to be one of the best cards to apply for if you have the fair credit, decent credit, maybe on the verge of bad credit. The reason why is it's one of their entry-level cards that they offer. So it's a great way to get an approval so you don't waste an inquiry, and it's a great way to show Navy Federal that you can manage credit where you can get into their higher tier cards like the AMEX card that they have or the Flagship card that they have. Those are the 2 premier cards. Now, the nice thing about this card right here is this card can go up to $50,000 on a credit limit. So that's really nice. All of the points don't expire, and you can turn the rewards into cash. So that is a great option as well. So not having your points expire, not having to worry about that mess, being able to actually cash out your rewards or your points into cash, that's super helpful. Like you can see, the bonus offer right now is earn 10,000 bonus points. It's a $100 value. So if you don't want the points and you want the cash, you can do that, okay? Now let's look down here. You can pre-qualify, like I said. The nice thing I like about the Navy Federal cards is they all, except for the Flagship card, they all don't have annual fees. The Flagship card, their best card, is the only card that has an annual fee. No balance transfer fee, no foreign transaction fee, no cash advance fee. You're going to get 3x points at restaurants, which is great. 2x points on gas and 1x points on everything else. I think most Americans would be pretty happy with this card because you can cash out the points for cash, or you can get reward gift cards or all different things that you can get through the portal there with Navy Federal. I really like the interest rate too. It's not a bad interest rate for a credit card. 8.99%. Obviously, it can go up to 18% based on credit worthiness. No rewards limit. You get cell phone protection. Your rewards don't expire as long as your account is open. You can redeem redeem points for cash, travel, gift cards, and merchandise. Okay. Like I said, no balance transfer fees and no foreign transaction fees. Now let's dump in here a little bit more here. Right now, until November 1st, which they're going to be getting really aggressive here. They're going to do You can get 10,000 bonus points, $100 value when you spend $1,000 within 90 days. I think everybody can spend $1,000 in 90 days. If you don't know how to do it, I will help you. Just buy me something. I'm just joking with you. But you can literally spend $1,000 within the next 90 days and get your points, which is really helpful. I also like this. They just added this in. Save 1.99% intro APR on balance transfers for 6 months. So you may say, oh, I thought there's no balance transfer fee. There's no balance transfer fee, but it's 1.99 APR on that actual interest. On the debt that you're transferring over, there's a 1.99% APR on that. So you're basically paying 2% on the debt that you move over for 6 months. Helps you leverage. This is going to be a really easy card to get. It's going to be a great balance transfer card. That won't really mess with you a lot because you're not paying the balance transfer fee. So I love it because most people can get this card when they apply, even with bad credit or fair credit. It's a great balance transfer fee to move debt around to give you some cash flow, and the APR once that balance transfer fee ends isn't too bad at all. And it's something that you guys would use every single day. So if you're rebuilding your credit, I love this card for you. Now, here's another thing as well. If you don't feel like you can get this card or you don't pre-qualify for this card, you can actually get the secured credit card that they offer. And after 6 months, if you made your payments on time, you can ask for a review and they can graduate you into the Go Rewards card with no credit check. You'll be able to keep your credit limit. Most of the time, you can get an increase on the credit limit and then get your deposit back and keep your account open and keep the history. So Navy Federal is amazing with their credit cards. Their point system is great. Their no fees are great. Being able to move around debt is great. Like I said, this can go up to $50,000. Every 100 days, you can get a credit limit increase on this card. So if you have fair credit, bad credit, decent credit, it's a good card to go for. You can get some rewards back. It's better than the Platinum card. The Platinum is the lowest tier card. This is like the second highest, third highest, depending on what people think. But I like it. What do you guys think about the Go Rewards credit card from Navy Federal? Put your comments in about your data points when you got it. How did you get it? What was your experience with it? Do you like it? Do you recommend it? Who do you recommend it for? Put your questions about credit. Join the private Facebook group. We're doing videos 3 times a day. Like I said, this is a great entry card to build your relationship with Navy Federal, and a great balance transfer card because you're not paying a balance transfer fee. You're just paying 2% on the interest for 6 months. So it's a no-brainer, guys. I love it. Now, one caveat, you can only have 3 cards with Navy Federal, okay? All of the cards have $50,000 limit except for Flagship, which is going to have the $80,000 limit. So this is going to be a great starter card, and you can always product change out of this later on. But you'll have to watch my other videos to figure out how to do that. Check out the playlist, and I'm out. Signing out. Appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe.